Look at the house where I spray painted. Oh my god. See what we talking about? Nice looks. Nice looks. Power wash this veranda. Brand new spray painted, but the rain come down, so gotta left off. Watch with that on here now. Boom boom, one of them shutters gotta go back there. This is what we looking at. Remember the other day I was power washing it, tell you I'm gonna spray it. This is what we looking like. Yeah, left off there because the rain beating we ass, you know what I mean? Can't get for work. So that's what we up to now. So we looking like. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. Boom 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 boom. Anyway, do some little work at the back here. Some fine work, take down one old stuff. We done power wash at the back here. Take down one old lights, piece stuff. Spray whenever the weather get better. Maybe tomorrow the other day, do a little carking in the corner. Set up here. A small house, not a big one. It's the back. You know. Paint it up. When I'm done, I'm gonna give you a nice video. You know how we do it. Yeah, this is the side I got to change the window there. I'm gonna switch it out and put the side in, whatever. I don't know. This side they got nice up. I'm gonna spray. Yeah, but I gotta wait till the weather done. Yeah, here's the front. Don't spray the front, but I still get some little fine work to do. You know how it is. Yeah, the dumpster. That's it. There's this one side. That's what we looking like. You know how we do it. Boom. That's how we get shit looking. Spectacular.